Welcome to the Checkout Guide. In today's video, I'll show you how to rename a payment method at Shopify checkout using the Next Reorder app. So this is useful if you want to display a more clear or customer-friendly payment name. So if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share, comment, and press the bell icon. Let's get started. First, we can go to the app section. Here we can click on Next Reorder app. So here in payment methods, we can click on quick rename payment method. Okay, here the rule name is already created. The rule status is activated. And we can choose the payment method. Here I choosing cash on delivery. So here we can give the new name that when customer check out, they will see that name. So here I change it to pay on delivery. Okay. So here we can see there is warning like payment method that display only logos cannot be renamed like PayPal, Amazon Pay, ShopPay, and certain other payment method is not supported. Okay, here in preview section also we can see that the cash on delivery is changed to pay on delivery now. So that's it. Now we can click on save. Okay, now the rule is created. Now we can, for the testing, we can go to the online store and check. Okay, here we can go to the cart. There is already some items and click on checkout. Okay, here we can see instead of the cash on delivery, here we can see there is pay on delivery option because we created the rule here like rename the payment method. So that's it. So some express payment methods such as ShopPay, Apple Pay, Google Pay, PayPal Express, Cash App Pay, and Venmo cannot be renamed due to Shopify's checkout limitations. So there is some limitations for some payment methods. So that's it. So you have successfully renamed a payment method using the Next Reorder app. So that's it. If you found this helpful, please subscribe, like, share, comment, and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.